All right, welcome to the third and final presentation of the addition snake game. In this snake game, not only are students going to be working with uneven sets and need placeholders, but there's also going to be some exchanges involved in this. In this final presentation, once students have had this, then they're going to go on to make bigger, longer, more complicated snakes as they work in practicing the memorization of addition facts. I'm going to go ahead and get us started. I am a student, again, who now knows the word addends and knows to keep my control of error in here, and also is really good with matching the color to the quantity. So I know this is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I made 10 with 3 left over using my placeholder. Starting with my placeholder, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Use my placeholder. I've made 10 here. I'm going to put my placeholder back. Keep these for control of error. I know that I've made 10, but that I have 2 left over here. This back in for control of error. Start again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh, just have 1 left over here on the end. So I'm going to go ahead, put my placeholder back. I know I just made another 10, but I have 1 left over. So I'm going to give him his little head there. Put this for control of error, and now I have a beautiful golden snake with a head that equals 10, 20, 30, 1. When I go to check my work this time, it's going to involve some exchanges. So I know that I have 31 as my answer. Again, students need to line up their controls from greatest to least or least to greatest. It doesn't really matter. It's easier to make 10 though when you start with the greatest. So the greatest number I have is 9, so I would ask, how many more do I need to get to 10? And they would say 1. I say, well, I don't have a 1. What am I supposed to do? And hopefully at this point, because they've done so much work prior to with golden beads and exchanging, they'll say, ooh, well, you can use this 2 and you can exchange it for 2 units. And I'll say, that is excellent. That's what we'll do. So now they can see they have 9 and 1 makes 10. Next greatest is 7. And I'll ask, what do we need to get to 10? And they'll say 3, and then 6, and 4, and 1 left over. And we've checked our work with our control of error. And that is the third presentation of the snake game.